Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm the CEO and the co-founders of Anon Solutions. We are a company that based in Penang, Malaysia. Anon is a company that very focused in designing and build RFID and RFID related automation solutions. Over the years, we have been actively in this region helping clients to implement RFID projects in warehouse, in process, in production, and in others operation requirements. We always work closely with the client, understanding their challenges and the process requirements. One area in specific is in asset management. There are thousands of assets, valuable assets in an organization. Managing those assets requires efforts and a lot of details. With that in mind, our R&D team started to design and build our very own flagship products, which is our RFID smart cabinet systems. It is not a normal cabinet. It is a cabinet system that empowers with software and RFID technologies. Let me show you how it works. It works just like an ATM machine. In ATM machine, it helps you to manage money and dispense money as far as you have a valid ATM card. It works the same as with our smart cabinet system. With an employee badge, you can always access to the smart cabinets just with a touch of the card to the system. System will verify it and just pick up the function that required. I will perform a checkout process and the door will kick up. Let me take out an item that already tagged with an RFID tag. Close the door and the system will start to perform the inventorization and the checkout process. And the data will show on the screen to let me acknowledge and agree on these transactions. Upon confirm and agree, I will acknowledge my employee card to confirm that I agree with these transactions. It works just like an ATM machine, and we can build further and more logics to the system as per your process and your business need. Talk to our team. We have the software engineer, we have the software team. We always like to listen to you and understand your process required to build those process requirements into the system. Feel free to drop us an email. Visit our site at www.anon.com.my. We hope to see you soon and thank you. Bye bye.